Water is a precious resource on this planet, and alive as we know, it requires water to survive. Today, 1 in 9 people globally, due to lack of access to safe water, and more than 2 billion people are compelled to drink unsafe water. Day to day, the demand for water consumption is increasing, and so the treatment of both municipal sewage and industrial effluent has become vital. With this vision, Envirocontrol Associates India Private Limited, a leading water company, was established in the year 1979 in India under the visionary leadership of Mr. Nimesh Vashi, Chairman and Managing Director of the company, having the mission to create a sustainable benchmark for the country and organization in the field of water treatment facilities.
As Enviro, from the beginning, our aim is to design and install either water, sewage or industrial wastewater treatment plants on available latest technologies in the world. These technologies are not only economical but sustainable and beneficial to the clients and society. We are pioneer in anaerobic treatment, and 3 of our largest capacity USP plants in India generate biogas and subsequently electricity from the plants.
Enviro provides complete turnkey solutions from in-house design and engineering to construction, installation, commissioning and operation and maintenance of water and wastewater treatment plants. In the last 40 years, Enviro has designed and executed more than 400 numbers of treatment plants of water, industrial effluents, municipal sewage and its reuse and waste-to-energy generation projects with the most advanced technologies. The legacy is maintained by company's Executive Director, Dr. Anand Vashi, who joined the organization in the year 1999, has international exposure of research and development during his master's studies in the Netherlands and taken up the company to next level. He introduced efficient and cost-effective technologies to meet the client's needs.
We are very much focused on new technologies and processes for water and wastewater treatment to fulfill the client's need. Our future goal is to bring the company next level by enhancing and upgrading our technical skills and abilities in water reuse and desalination projects, not only in India but abroad as well.
The agricultural sector in India primarily drives the demand for water reuse. Industrial clusters are another key client for water reuse. Envirocontrol Associates India Private Limited is a trendsetter for the sector in Indian water industries. Enviro has designed and commissioned the world's largest tertiary treatment of sewage reuse plant of the capacity of 40 million litres per day at Bamroli for Surat Municipal Corporation. The plant was commissioned in the year 2014 and supplies treated water to nearby industrial estates in Surat. This plant is producing industrial-grade water matching the high-quality standards of potable water. The project's success became the history of Indian water industries. Our team of scientists, application specialists and technical engineers provide support services including on-site troubleshooting with state-of-the-art monitoring and control systems for treatment plants. For people, water is God and there is no divinity without water. Enviro is committed to solving the global water crisis as water is the most precious commodity. Enviro provides solutions for a cleaner environment.